Hello everyone, this is Shoy Kashyap and today I'm going to review Apple AirPods second generation. So stay tuned to know all about it. So this is the second generation Apple AirPods and I have purchased it 1 years ago at the price of around 12,500 rupee and you can get some more discount on it. So this is the normal AirPods without wireless charging case, and you can get the wireless charging case for by putting some additional 4 to 5,000 rupee. And now today I'm going to review this particular product. So stay tuned. So here let's look this AirPods, how to connect the AirPods to with your iPhone. So you have to just open the tip and then it will show not your AirPods and you have to connect. You have to put on the connect and then it will show that press and hold on the back charging case. So it shows announcing message are connected, Siri will lead message, continue. So it's showing the name of the AirPods. So here you can see the tips are actually 100% charge and the box is just 30% charge. Okay, so just do done. And now here you can look at this place, batteries, the tips are fully charged and the box is just 30% charge. And yeah, that's how the configuration is. Let's first talk about the build quality of these AirPods. So they are made up of hard plastic material, what I am feeling by touching it, and these are like solidly built. They are well built actually, and they don't feel really plasticky, and they do feel a bit heavy. If you have ever because I do have the Realme Buds, which feels quite light to hold, and even the earbuds are quite light. But what if we see these AirPods? They are a bit heavy. That gives a sense of solid build. But well, these are like long tips which you can see. And now let's come what are the features these have. So this come with an H1 chip of Apple, and this actual and because this was the second generation, and this do have this mic, which is a good quality mic. I will show you some samples, and here you can see this also had the wear detection. So what a wear detection is actually, if you put this out, and if you are watching a video or if you are listening in music, it will auto pause. So that's what wear detection is. And now let's talk about the charging thing. So how much time does this whole charging box takes to charge these AirPods, including this box? So it takes around 1.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100. And if this AirPods get discharged and you put in on this box and you want to know the time, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to fully charge. So here you can see that I am wearing these AirPods second generation. So these feels quite comfortable on ears and they are quite light, and now you can see the audio is being recorded from these AirPods. So now you can judge what is the level of sound quality and how clear the sound is. So you can see these AirPods are quite good in terms of quality. Even the sound quality is quite good. So now let's come to the sound quality thing. So you will enjoy listening to music and you will love watching contents on Netflix, Amazon Prime, and do a lot of stuff. And low latency is also quite good. You will not feel the lack of that low latency thing on this particular AirPods. Well, these are now almost 2 years old in terms of the launch date. Well, I have purchased it 1 years ago, but they feel quite good. They are quite reliable. If we talk about the reliability, like it's almost 1 years I'm using it continuously every day, it's still working fine and as good as it was new. So that's the case with this AirPods. Well, these AirPods don't have that silicon tip which now new generation AirPods Pro having, but these are still quite comfortable on ears. Let's talk about the connectivity of these AirPods with Apple devices. So most of the users who are going to buy this particular product is only going to buy because of the connectivity. So most of the people know what is the Apple ecosystem actually is. It is actually flawless to use with Apple devices. You just open the box and put it in your ears and you get connected with your Apple device. It's whether your iPhone, it's whether your MacBook, it's whether any Apple device. So now let's talk about the comparison of this AirPods. So well, there are now lot of new products in the market around this range. Well, what I'm going to tell you, if you should only go for this product only if you have an Apple device. If you don't have an Apple device, then rather go for any other product because that's going to give you more value for money features like noise cancellation, low latency mode, and lot of other things, fast charging. But this product is quite good for Apple users because it gets completely into the ecosystem. It fits in the budget because it's not that damn expensive if we compare to the Apple AirPods Pro, and it's quite practical too. What's good about it, even in 2020 when the sound quality is phenomenal, and because I am using it from the past 1 year, it do not feel me old. Like it is as damn good as it was new. So, not like other TWS that gets older and gets the sound quality gets deteriorated. It is as same as the new one. Non-wireless model is bang for buck because if you are going to pay 16,000 rupee, then you are going to think you are going to pay 6,000 more and get the AirPods Pro. But for 12,500 or even less than that, it's a great deal. And in some refurbished market, you can get this AirPods as low as 8,000 rupee. So that's still a good deal for Apple users. Well, this AirPod is not as loud as some other TWS in this market, but it's quite decent because you don't need to hear a really loud sound that can damage your ears. So they actually dull the sound a bit for preventing you from any hearing aids. And last, not the least, you will like the sound quality and the overall user experience with this AirPods. So if you like the video, do smash the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such updates. And if you have any question, then don't forget to put it on the comment section below. I will reply it. Thank you.